I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak.
Top goes in, Ronaldo. The chance for Ronaldo. He just stumps it in. And what an important Cristiano Ronaldo. On it goes to Ronaldo. Oh yeah, Cristiano Ronaldo does it again. That is his 70th goal in the ground as he goes to the
Ronaldo! Oh, that's wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. He's got his Anfield goal. And how?